This is a paper that you need to make your test corrections. So of course, the first thing you're going to need to do is put your name on the paper, and you'll need to find your test packet that you got back. So you'll flip to the questions, and on the side so you'll see a check mark if you got it right. If you see a question mark at any point, that means like maybe circled 2 questions because you weren't sure. So when we were going through, we didn't know what your answer was. So through one of the numbers, you need to go to that video, and you're going to fill out on this paper whether it was right or wrong and why. So you put the number. When you watch the video, you're going to see the skill. So for instance, number 1 is author's purpose. But for every question, the skill is different. You're going to write your answer. So if this was mine, I would put B. After I watch the video, I'm going to know what the right answer is. And then if I was right, I would put a check. If I was wrong, I would put an X. And then from watching the video, I'll be able to answer this question. If not, why did you get it wrong? So let's say I did get it wrong, then I would watch the video into what was being explained, and I would be like, oh, okay, that's why I made that mistake. So maybe you would write something like, I was confused by, or I didn't understand maybe a certain word in the question or in the text. I should have gone back to, like maybe a particular piece in the text that you should have gone back to, or whatever it is. So for every question, it's going to be different depending on what kind of mistake you made. And then if you got it right, then if by looking at your thinking on your test form, you could say, like, I got that right because I felt like this part of the question was important. So you would write something like, I noticed that, or maybe you went back into the text and you reread a certain section. I reread, or my annotations helped me. So again, it's going to be different for everybody. Just depends on how you did on the test and what helped you as a test taker. Please don't put anything like, IDK, or I guessed. You don't want to put anything that shows that you're not doing any thinking. If when you took the test, you honestly were just very confused and you had no idea what the question, then be specific. So like if this one, you're like, well, I didn't know what intends means, or I don't know how to find a summary. This is your time to reflect on how you did. And also this gives you extra credit on it. So let's say that you didn't do very well, like maybe you only got 3 questions right. That's a pretty low grade that's going in the grade book for your grades that are going to be on your next report card. Filling out this paper will give you some extra credit to help out with that. But not only that, it's going to help you do better on our next test, and it will help you better understand some test taking strategies. Okay. So the next few slides, you'll see the number on the top of the slide, and then you'll see the video. So if you don't need to watch it, then just click right through it. After you do all of your nonfiction, down here you'll see I got however many out of 5 correct. So let's say that you got 2 correct, then you just do that. This is going to help you figure out okay, nonfiction, I need some work, but oh wow, with fiction, I'm amazing. Okay. Oh yeah. P.S. There's a back. All right. Click to the next slide or to whatever slide that you need to do your test corrections.